DJI has built a reputation for constantly raising the bar in the drone industry. But as new models keep rolling out, one question remains. Are they really getting better, or just more expensive? This analysis dives deep into the 10 DJI drones that truly define 2026, ranked not by marketing hype or spec sheets, but by real-world value. Some of these results may surprise die-hard DJI fans, and a few might even challenge how you think about premium drones altogether. Starting from the bottom, the DJI Mini 5 Pro looks like a marvel on paper. A 50-megapixel, 1-inch sensor inside a sub-250-gram frame almost feels like science fiction. Add in a mechanical 3-axis gimbal, 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, and even 240 frames per second at Full HD, and you have a drone that sounds unstoppable. It stays in the air for 36 minutes, or over 50 with the Plus battery, and its omnidirectional obstacle avoidance makes it nearly crash-proof. The transmission is bulletproof, storage is built in, and the flight experience feels silky smooth. Yet, for all this excellence, the Mini 5 Pro falls short in one area that matters most: value. With prices starting around $1,399 and climbing close to $1,750 for the Fly More combo, this drone steps out of the mini category and into flagship territory. You're paying a premium for portability and legal advantages, not for leaps in image quality or performance. It's a dream machine for creators who need to stay under 250 grams, but an overpriced option for everyone else. Next comes the DJI Mini 4K. A reminder that sometimes less is more. This is a no-frills drone built for beginners who just want something that works. It captures real 4K video at 30 frames per second, delivers respectable 12-megapixel RAW photos, and handles moderate winds better than expected. Flight time hovers around 21 minutes, which might sound short until you remember it costs under $300. It's small, easy to set up, and forgiving when you crash with cheap replacement parts. There's no advanced obstacle avoidance or cinematic performance, but that's the point. This is the perfect first drone for beginners who want reliability without breaking the bank. Then there's the DJI Flip, one of the most unusual entries in the lineup. DJI clearly wanted to experiment here, and the result is fascinating. With built-in propeller guards and an ultra-safe design, it redefines what it feels like to fly. Hand launching becomes casual, even fun, and AI tracking works without a controller. Internal storage is only 2 gigabytes, which limits your flight footage, and it's louder than most DJI drones. But the flight time of around 30 minutes keeps it practical. The Flip isn't for professionals. It's for people who are intimidated by drones, parents wanting something safe for kids, or vloggers looking for stress-free shooting. It's not about power or polish, it's about simplicity and peace of mind. The DJI Mavic 3 Classic takes things in a more serious direction. With a single 24mm Hasselblad camera featuring a large 4/3 sensor, it captures 20-megapixel photos and gorgeous 5.1K video at 50 frames per second. It even supports slow motion at 1080p and 200 frames per second for creative flexibility. Its adjustable aperture from f/2.8 to f/11 and options for both RAW and JPEG make it ideal for professional content creation. Add advanced obstacle avoidance, intelligent flight modes, and Active Track 5.0, and you've got a reliable pro tool. The only downside is its price. This isn't a toy for beginners. But for experienced pilots, the Mavic 3 Classic is a workhorse. Moving up the list, the DJI Air 3S strikes a balance between power and portability. Its dual camera setup combines a 50-megapixel wide lens and a 48-megapixel medium telephoto for both sweeping landscapes and crisp close-ups. With 4K video at 60 frames per second, or 120 frames per second for slow motion, it's ideal for creators who shoot for both cinematic projects and social media. 10-bit D-Log color grading, smart obstacle avoidance, and 42 gigabytes of built-in memory make it extremely capable. It's a bit heavier than the mini drones, so you'll need to register it in some regions, but overall it delivers strong performance without going overboard on price. The DJI Neo 2 takes a different approach by focusing on versatility in a tiny frame. Weighing around 150 grams, it packs a 12-megapixel camera with a half-an-inch sensor, shooting crisp 4K at 60 frames per second. With almost 50 gigabytes of internal storage, you won't run out of space mid-flight. It includes gesture controls, LiDAR front sensing, and downward infrared sensors, making it safe, intuitive, and smart. Its small size makes it incredibly portable, and its 24 miles per hour sport mode speed adds fun for hobby pilots. For those craving immersion, the DJI Avatar 2 delivers one of the most exhilarating FPV experiences around. With a refined hoop frame and improved ergonomics, this drone feels accessible yet thrilling. The goggles and RC Motion 3 controller give you a real-time, in-flight perspective that feels like flying inside the drone itself. GPS stabilization keeps it practical for beginners, while advanced pilots can switch to stick control for full freedom. It's not just about speed, it's about the adrenaline of seeing the world from a bird's-eye view. Then there's the DJI Neo, a small but surprisingly capable drone designed for everyday users. Its 4K camera with one-axis gimbal and electronic stabilization gives smooth footage, while palm takeoff and AI tracking make it incredibly easy to operate. You can fly it with a phone, controller, or even FPV goggles. It's affordable, fun, and user-friendly, ideal for families, casual flyers, or anyone testing the waters of aerial videography. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro, one of DJI's flagship monsters, is an aerial powerhouse. It features a 3-camera system that includes a 100-megapixel 4/3 Hasselblad lens, a 70mm telephoto, and a 168mm telephoto for unmatched versatility. It shoots stunning 6K video at 60 frames per second, with 4K slow motion up to 120 frames per second. Its 51-minute flight time, 18-mile transmission range, and top speed of 60 miles per hour make it a beast for professionals. Features like GPS-free return to home, steady hovering, and advanced tracking cement it as one of the most capable drones ever built. The price is steep, but for professionals it's worth every penny. Finally, we reach the drone that stands out above them all. Not because it's the biggest or flashiest, but because it offers the best real-world value. The DJI Mini 4 Pro. Weighing under 250 grams, it avoids many registration hassles while still delivering professional-grade features. With omnidirectional obstacle sensors, 4K 60 frames per second HDR video, and 10-bit color recording, it's built for serious creators. Waypoint flight mode, 20 kilometers transmission range, and over 40 minutes of battery life make it both capable and convenient. It's the drone you actually take out of the bag, light, powerful, and fun to use. At under $1,000, it outperforms drones that cost twice as much. In the end, the message is simple. The best drone isn't the one with the highest specs or biggest price tag. It's the one you'll actually use. Always fly legally, get the Fly More combo when possible, and take time to practice. The skies belong to the pilots who fly smart, not just those who spend big.